So I swim every morning before university and after as well. It's quite a challenging sport, like many others. It requires a lot of dedication. I train for over 20 hours a week. I'm currently studying at the University of Malta for a BSc Honours in Sport and Physical Activity, and I'm also a national team swimmer. I swim for Malta and I've been swimming for around 10 years. And I compete internationally.
At the University of Malta, we are very lucky to have very promising students who go on to have very successful careers. But we are also very lucky to have very promising athletes.
Following participation in Erasmus Plus project on the dual career of athletes with other European universities, the University of Malta has launched a student athlete support program aimed to assist students who train or compete at national or international level with issues that might arise from time to time in connection with training, competition and studies.
The Student Athlete Support Program has helped me quite a lot. It's encouraged me to continue my studies and my sports at the same time. I've been given support and they've helped me throughout the year.
The Sport Mentor is there to facilitate the balance between academia, education and sports.
Whenever I've had exams which clashed with competitions, I've always found help, so I was really lucky. I was able to compete and at the same time study. I really encourage other students to join this program because I feel it's important to have somebody there to help you.
If you are a student athlete and would like to join the Student Athlete Support Program, kindly send us an email on athletesupport@um.edu.mt.